Being an INFP is a gift, it's not a curse. It means you're creative, gentle, empathetic. It means that you have a unique perspective on the world and can often see things in ways that other people do not. It also means that sometimes you get stuck in your own head. You might be so focused on how you feel about something that it can be hard to actually do anything about it. And if this sounds like you, don't worry, because I've got you covered, because you're going to learn 5 steps to make sure that your identity, creativity, and imagination don't get smothered. Hey, I'm Matt Sherman, and welcome to Geek Psychology, where we use the concepts and lessons from geek and gaming culture to help us play life better. And in this video, we're talking about INFPs. So let's jump into how you can develop yourself with these 5 INFP self-improvement steps. Number 1, understand more about yourself through action, then reflection. Being an INFP means that you're probably very good at reflecting on your own thoughts and feelings, but sometimes it's easy to get so wrapped up in our own heads that we actually forget to do anything about what we were thinking. And if this is the case for you, then try taking some time to reflect after you've taken action on something. See how your actions make you feel, and then use those reflections to inform future choices. As an introvert, I know this can be hard, but easy is not the goal, and it's important not to get too lost in our own thoughts and actually forget to interact with the world outside of us. No matter how scary those dragons are, the treasures of life are always beyond our biggest fears. Number 2, stop comparing yourself to other people. One of the worst things that we can do for our creativity and self-compassion is to compare ourselves with others. We're all unique individuals with different talents and abilities, so there's no sense in comparing and constantly measuring yourself against other people. Instead, focus on honing your skills and celebrating your own successes. This will help you maintain a healthy perspective of yourself and prevent feelings of envy or inadequacy from creeping in. 3, find a balance between structure and spontaneity. Too much structure can stifle creativity and feel like a cave crumbling in all around you, but too much spontaneity can lead to feeling ungrounded. So you need to find a happy medium between structure and spontaneousness and flexibility. For example, if you're working on a creative project, try to set aside a few hours of structured time for yourself every day to work on it, and then leave several hours for being open and dealing with what comes up. If you're working a 9 to 5, make sure to create time before and after to explore things that interest you. And if you're feeling tired, yes, the job might suck, but also you're probably not having an outlet for those inspiring interests and pursuing things that mean more to you. Number 4, put yourself in different contexts so that you have more confidence in being able to handle whatever comes at you. Confidence is a skill, not just a feeling. You build confidence by taking action and realizing the ability that you have to deal with whatever comes next. The more situations you put yourself in where you're out of your comfort zone and handling it, the more confidence you'll be able to feel again in that situation or similar ones. And it's not about changing who you are, it's about recognizing the power within you and being able to adapt to whatever comes your way. Number 5, study goal setting and learn how to make it your own. Setting goals is important because it gives you something to work towards, and you need to learn how to measure your progress. Without goals, it can become easy to get frustrated because you don't really know if you're making a difference, you don't know if you're making any progress. So learning to set goals effectively and stay on track and stay motivated is extremely important. This naturally hits our inferior function, extroverted thinking right in the face, we'll say. We want to do things the right way, whatever that means. We want to have a step-by-step guide, or at least an authority figure to tell us where our North Star should be. But trusting your own judgment and setting goals based on your personal values can be scary, but it's worth it. It allows you to live a life that is authentic to you and not someone else's idea of what success should be like. But without goal-setting strategies, it's really hard to do. So take what works, make it your own, and keep focusing on getting feedback and progress. So there you have it. As an INFP, you're a rare breed. If you want to understand yourself better, and if you want to develop yourself more, then do what I do. Take action and reflect on those actions. Stop comparing yourself to others. Create a balance between structure and creativity. Put yourself in different situations where you can practice being confident, and study goal setting so that you can make it your own and create your own life. Also, go to inowfeelpositive.com and sign up for the newsletter to get more support for INFPs. And if you're ready to get personalized one-on-one support with me, go to coaching.geekpsychology.com, and I'd love to help you create a more appealing, enthusiastic, inspiring life. Good luck, have fun. Peace. So fast, like a superhuman.